On the subject of good deeds, the Wright State Alumni Game benefiting the Greene County Council on Aging was played at Fairborn High School this afternoon. Current Raiders enjoying the show as some of their coaches joined WSU alums in the battle of green versus gold. Troy Tabler graduated just a couple years ago, but he's still got game. Tabler from way outside counted for three. Deshaun Wood playing professionally over in France, and just like the old days, Deshaun delivers the goods for the green team. Back and forth we go. Raiders assistant coach Brendan Mullins showing off his long-range skills with this triple. Not to be outdone, assistant coach DJ Wyrick. From the corner, nothing but net. And last but not least, head coach Billy Donlin with the assist from Scott Grody right here. Coach Donlin going to take it in for the bucket. I think that's the only bucket he had on the day. Today's event was more about raising fund, was more than just about raising funds for Greene County senior programs.
We really feel, as we get older, it's real important to stay engaged, be out there, enjoy other people's company, and this is a great way to do it, no matter what our age is.
Two's very own Stephanie Burgess and Little Lincoln also at today's event to cheer on AP Reporter of the Year, Jordan Burgess. Jordan playing in the 5th annual Media Celebrity Game, first half action off the miss. Jordan going to get the putback. Don't know if Jordan can jam, but he does rock the outside game. Jordan Burgess setting the screen and then delivering the 18-footer right here. Nicely done. Now on defense, this is called what we call Jordan Cam. Truly in-your-face camera defense right there. Good time had by all, and with back porch on the PA, it couldn't have been more outstanding.